Everyone, welcome back to Diecast Dreams. Today we are unboxing this nice model from Solido. It's a Mercedes CLA, as you can see on the front of the car. It's a beautiful looking model, very stylish, very gorgeous. Looks nice from the rear end as well. The box is a transparent box, so you can see the model from all the sides. And this is the back of the box. You can see here it's a Mercedes-Benz CLA C118. It's made in Bangladesh, so it's a licensed product, of course, from Mercedes. So let's get started to unbox it. Alright, it's unboxed. As you can see here, it says Mercedes-Benz CLA Coupe. It's a nice looking model. Let's remove it from the box. Okay, so let's get started with the review of the car. Starting off with the wheels this time. Beautifully crafted wheels. I absolutely love them. You have the wheels, the alloys in black. You have the Mercedes logo, very well detailed. It's black finished, so looks very stylish, very nice. Let's go to the front of the car. Starting off with the headlights, of course. These are definitely LED lights, looks like. Not much detailed. I'm not sure about the real car. These look nice, but then I would have expected a little bit more details there. The front, the place where you have the fog lights normally is empty. It's just a plain plastic piece, and the grills are not perforated, so these are plain plastic bits. These are closed. Same with the front grill as well. The grill looks very nice, just like in the real Mercedes. It's very beautiful, but then the grill is not perforated, so it doesn't have holes in them, so it's a plain plastic piece with a lot of chrome dots. The Mercedes logo is nice, if I can show it. Yeah. So it's a little raised, so it's not just a print, but it's a little bit raised. And yeah, the front profile of the car looks very beautiful, looks very nice. Moving on to the side, you have the outside rear view mirrors, which are in black, so they look good. They have this chrome lining running here, so that looks good. And the rear wheels, as usual, beautiful again. The logo is very nice. The black wheels look great. Moving to the rear end, the tail lights looks very classy, very nice. Details are good. Could have been better, but then at this price point from a budget model, it's pretty well done. You have the reversing light here, and you have the tail lights here. So overall, it's well detailed. Could have been more. The lights could have been more sharp, but it is not. And you do have the reflectors here, both the reflectors, and there is some sort of scoop here on the rear bumper. So that looks good. Two tail exhausts, again they are fake, not real. You can see that the exhaust pipe runs through there, but then these are fake, these are just totally closed. A little bit disappointed, with this one. Could have been done better. Let me check the logo. Okay, this is a bit raised. It's a print, but it's very well done. Looks 3D, but it's a paint, chrome paint on a raised surface. So yeah. Moving further, we have the fuel cap here. Unlike you might have seen in my other reviews of LCD models and Pody models, they do have the fuel cap opening, but here it is not. It is a fixed piece, and the side profile looks good. It's a very well made car. It's very heavy in weight. Must say it's well built, but then there are features missing. But then at this price point, you definitely don't expect that much of detail. So it's very well. If you are not into Buragos and Maestros, the next level is Solido, which makes very well detailed car. Of course, there are a lot of missing features. For example, the boot doesn't open, the engine doesn't open, so it just has two opening parts, and those are the two front doors. So that is a little bit of miss. They could have at least done the engine bay opening, but then nevertheless. The roof is very well done. You have this black glass here, very dark and tinted. The sunroof is also tinted. There's a bit of metal here. Looks very stylish. Let's go inside and check out the interiors. Let's check the interiors. Starting off from the driver's side, let me open the door. Okay, move in. Okay, the interior looks very sharp and detailed. Never expected out of a Solido model. This is very well detailed. I love the door pads, the door switches, the door handles, the frameless mirrors. Sorry, my bad. The frameless windows, very well detailed. Never expected this from a Solido. I would have expected less details, but then it's very well laid. You can see actually the speedometer, the digital console there. Looks like it's illuminated. It's not. It's just a sticker, but it's very well done. The logo on the steering wheel is sharp. And you can see the different kind of buttons, the steering controls over there. So even if you see here, the pedals are in chrome or aluminium, if you might say that. Very well detailed. You can see also the gear selector, the drive mode selector, the parking, neutral, those kind of things in the center. And you can see the armrest as well. I like this model. It's very well detailed interior. If the exterior is not that great, just fits the thing, but then the interiors are very well done. Let's take a look from the other side, from the passenger side. Let me zoom in a little bit. There you go. Okay, this is a very surprising package for me, from a budget model like Solido. The AC controls are highlighted in chrome, which is very nice, very impressive with that. You can see that's the gear selector at the center. There are different switches there, and of course you have the armrest. They're dual colored seats, beige and black, but then they look very nice. if you see the display, it's one single display right from the driver's side to the center console. As with all modern Mercedes, you would have seen that it's a huge digital panel, and it looks good. I'm very impressed with that. Well done, Solido. Alright, so let's zoom out, and yeah, that's how the car looks like. It just has two open doors, frameless windows, and black sporty wheels. They look absolutely gorgeous. The new front face, the front grille of Mercedes is very beautiful. This comes on the A class as well, and it looks very beautiful. The dots, the diamond pattern is very nice, very attractive. So yeah, it's an overall nicely made car. If I may check the steering, yeah, the steering works. It's a bit tight, not very smooth. I don't know why, maybe one-off defect with this model, but then it works. The steering wheel works. Checking the suspension, there is no suspension here, so of course you will miss that, but it's a very well detailed model. I very much like these door pads, the interior consoles, the steering wheel, the digital display. They are like very well done, very impressive. It's a very budget model from Solido, so it's one of the keepers, you can say. You can keep it for your collection if you're not into very high-end no rev or mini champs of those kinds. It's a very well detailed model. Alright, so that concludes my review for the Mercedes-Benz CLA. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do share it with your friends, your diecast enthusiasts, or people who might own a Mercedes. You might share this with them. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment if you want me to include any more details, any more features, or any more things in the video. So that's it from my side. At the end of the video, I'll add some pictures, a very nice presentation of pictures. Please do watch it out, and please do come back to my channel for my next video. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.